That's just what you do when I look for it. You know that you can't lose, that's why I need you for this boy. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Ashimary. This is how my package came. Of course, I want to start my video off with an unboxing. I feel like the packaging for wigs are super cute, so I always like to show them and what comes in the box. So of course you get everything that you would need to install your wig, as well as some accessories like this cute robe. But let's get into the actual wigs. So as you can see, the unit is a nice, like, highlighted blonde curly wig, but it is also pre-everything. It's constructed really well. No need to pretty much do anything but put this wig on. It even have these tabs on the side for a glueless install. You can just pull those tabs down and it fits really nicely to the shape of your head. I have a larger head, so any wig that's easier for me to install with my lower hairline, I love. So this is how the wig looks on my head right out of the packaging. Typically, this part here kind of looks funny on me due to my lower hairline, but I feel like it looks really good straight out of the box. Didn't need to do anything at all. So I'm just kind of styling the wig, seeing how it looks, seeing how the hair flows, again, without doing anything to it. And honestly, I really like this wig. So I'm gonna start to install it. And again, I'm just gonna take off the little tabs on the side and fit them to my head. Super easy. I'm just holding it down for a minute, like rubbing it into place, kind of like you would a sticker. But yeah, felt super secure. It kind of gave my face a little lift as well, but really easy to install this way. I do feel like you could install your wig with just the tabs. I did add a little more, not necessarily glue, but like wig spray to the edges there, just to kind of help the wig blend. So not for security, but for a better blend. But as you can see, like, the cutout around my ear was perfect. This wig is super comfortable. I love the way that it's constructed as far as the like combs that are attached to the wig. Very comfortable. And then there is an adjustable back. So wig looks great, felt great, and now it's just time to get the wig installed. So right now, I'm adding a little makeup to the wig, of course, to kind of blend it out. And even right here, I do not have any like additional product on the lace other than the makeup. So I didn't add any like wig spray just yet. I was trying to blend it without having to use any additional product, and I feel like it looks pretty good. It looks really good. I don't think you necessarily have to. I just did it again for a better blend. But I am not even like the greatest at wigs, very much beginner, and this wig was super easy for me to install, maneuver, style, very user friendly. So if you're in the market for a new wig, especially with like the holidays being over now, summertime is approaching, this wig is definitely really cute for the summer, spring as well. So yeah, check it out. I do have the links down below in my description box. If you have any questions, please let me know as well. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue to style my wig and show you guys that process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials to come soon on my channel. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be alone. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be alone. Can we chill, can we be cool? Cause you know what to do. I'm the flyest in the room. I think you know it too. I need you for this. The fresh that be cool. The way you move, yeah. You know that I know that you know that I made this beat for you. I did my room. I made this beat for you.
what you do when I look for it. You know that you can't lose, that's why I need you for this part. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be alone. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be alone. Can we chill, can we be cool? Cause you know what to do. I'm the flyest in the room. I think you know it too. I need you for it. You're fresh to be cool. The way you move, yeah. You know that I know that you know. You know that I made this beat for you.